Hiya, welcome back to Olney and Clifton Fishing Association with Nathan Flynn, the club secretary. Today we are down at the Doffs area. Doffs Field, synonymous for the carping in the summer, and lots of match anglers like it down there. We've now actually in a newer piece of our land. We've had this bit for a while, but we've never been able to access it. So we put in a new bridge. Committee have been working round the clock to make it accessible. So we have the railway bridge stretch behind me, which as you can see, looks absolutely stunning. Further down, we've made access so you can walk all the way along here into Colson's Field and further into Brock's, where we've got gravelly beds, some wider, some deeper parts as well, which really extend our waters. So we've got a lovely stretch down here. We're expecting plenty of bream, plenty of tench to come out here, as well as loads of silvers. So this is our Doff section going into the railway bridge, Colson's and Brock's. Come check it out.